Fresh of its success at the moon, India is now headed for the sun. Indian Space Research Organization, or simply ISRO, is showing constant innovation, gearing for its next adventure. Chandrayaan 3's lander rover duo are expected to stop working in a week or so when the harsh lunar night falls at their touchdown site. But this new mission's long journey has just begun. This is the Universe Factory, and in today's video we will have a look into India's next ambitious space project. But before that, here at the Universe Factory we regularly post all the latest happenings in the world of astronomy. So subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification next to it. This way you don't have to worry about missing any of our future uploads. Also find us on social media platforms, links to which have been mentioned in the description. Don't forget to check out. India is on the moon. No, literally India is on the moon. After launch in July, Chandrayaan 3 successfully soft landed on the lunar south pole few days ago, making the India the first ever nation to achieve this, and the fourth nation to ever land on the moon. Now India is looking for the sun with its next ambitious project named Aditya L1. Aditya is named after Surya and the Adityas, the revered Hindu deities representing the sun. The L1 designation denotes the Lagrange point 1, signifying the precise location situated between Sun and the Earth where the Indian spacecraft is set to embark. L1 point is about 1.5 million km from the Earth. The nation launched its first ever solar observatory on 2nd September, sending the Aditya L1 probe skyward atop Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle or PSLV from Satish Dhawan Space Center at 11:50 am IST. The PSLV deployed Aditya L1 into low Earth orbit as planned about 63 minutes after liftoff, sparkling applause and high fives in mission control. Once it is settled in at L1, the solar probe will use 3 science instruments to study the particles and magnetic fields in its immediate surroundings. Additionally, the probe will use 4 other science instruments to scrutinize the sun's surface known as the photosphere and its atmosphere. This work will help scientists better understand the solar activity, including the dynamics of solar flares and coronal mass ejections or CMEs, ISRO official says. Both types of outbursts can affect us here on Earth. Intense coronal mass ejections that hit our planet, for example, trigger geomagnetic storms that can disrupt satellite navigation and power grids. But as a side benefit, such storms also supercharge the gorgeous light shows known as the auroras. Aditya L1 will also tackle the coronal heating problem, one of the biggest mysteries in heliophysics. The corona, or the sun's wispy outer atmosphere, is immensely hot, with soaring temperatures at around 1.1 million degrees Celsius according to the NASA. That is about 200 times hotter than the solar surface, which is only 5,500 degrees Celsius or so. It is still unclear what is responsible for this puzzling and implausible inconsistency. The probe will try to uncover the reason why it would be hotter away from the sun's core where the energy-producing nuclear fusion reactions are occurring. Aditya L1 has other science goals as well. For instance, the mission also aims to more fully flesh out the solar wind, the stream of charged particles flowing constantly from the sun. Aditya L1 will measure the composition of the solar wind and attempt to determine how it is accelerated. Aditya L1 will do all this work in a very economical way. The mission's price tag is about 3.8 billion rupees or $46 million. That's in the same ballpark as Chandrayaan 3, India's first successful moon landing mission that cost about 6.15 billion rupees or $74 million. For comparison, NASA's most recent big-ticket sun mission, the record-setting Parker Solar Probe, costs roughly about $1.5 billion. As ISRO is aiming for the sun, 1.4 billion Indians, along with the entire world, are cheering them on. And there you have it, folks, the fascinating journey into the world of Aditya L1, India's first dedicated solar observatory. We have explored its groundbreaking missions, incredible scientific goals, and its potential to unlock the secrets of our sun. As we gaze at the stars and the wonders of the cosmos, let Aditya L1 serve as a beacon of hope and inspiration. It is a symbol of what we can achieve when we come together, push all the boundaries of technology, and explore the unknown. Just as Aditya L1 gazes at the sun, let us continue to reach for the stars, explore new horizons, and pursue knowledge for the betterment of humanity. Thank you for joining us on this incredible voyage of discovery. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting explorations of the cosmos. Meanwhile, watch these suggested videos as well. Until we meet again in the next video, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep reaching for the stars. And as always, keep looking up.